Hello children, today we will be revising the exercise of alphabet along with their phonetics in an interesting way. We have made all the alphabet in a lyrical way and made a melodious song for you. We will revise it by singing that song. Are you all ready for it? Let's sing. A is for apple, apple. B is for bag, bag. C is for camera, camera. D is for door, door. E is for envelope, envelope. F is for fruits, for fruits. G is for class, class. H is for home, home. I is for injection, injection. J is for jam, jam. K is for keys, keys. L is for lemon, lemon. M is for money, money. N is for necklace, necklace. O is for orange, orange. P is for pen, pen. Q is for queen, queen. R is for ring, ring. S is for sweets, sweets. T is for tray, tray. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for vegetables, vegetables. W is for watch, watch. X is for Xmas tree, Xmas tree. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zip, zip. So many things for you to learn about, so many ways. Sing your song. So many things for you to learn about, so many ways. Sing your song. So children, you have to learn this song and revise it in the same way. Thank you. Take care.